Let's talk about print on demand, or POD, a side hustle that promises passive income. The idea: you create a design, upload it to a platform, and when someone buys it, the company prints and ships it for you. No inventory, no shipping, no upfront costs, just your creativity. It's a business model that's attracted millions thanks to its low barrier to entry and the dream of earning money while you sleep. But is it still a golden ticket in 2025, or has the market changed? Today we'll break down what POD really is, how it works, and whether it's still a smart move for your time and money. Let's dive in. Here's how POD works. You partner with a service like Printful or Redbubble, upload your design, and choose which products to sell. When a customer orders, the platform prints your design on the product and ships it automatically. You never touch inventory or handle shipping. The customer pays the retail price, the pod company takes their cut, and you keep the profit. It's a seamless, hands-off process that lets you focus on creativity and marketing. This automation is why pod exploded in popularity. But while the process is simple, success isn't guaranteed. Let's look at why. The biggest challenge in pod today? Oversaturation. Millions of sellers flood platforms with thousands of similar designs in every niche. Dogs, coffee, coding, you name it. Standing out is tough, and a race to the bottom on pricing means shrinking profits. Newcomers compete with established brands and copycat designs, making it hard to get noticed. Uploading a good design isn't enough anymore. Most get buried in search results within hours. The market feels like a bargain bin, not a curated shop. To succeed, you need more than creativity. You need strategy, originality, and a business mindset. The days of upload and pray are over. So, what's changed the game even more? Enter AI design tools like Midjourney and DALL-E. Now anyone can generate professional-looking images in seconds, flooding platforms with even more designs. While AI can help non-artists create, it's also made the market even more crowded with generic, soulless art. The winners use AI as a tool, not a shortcut, adding their own style, combining elements, and building a unique brand. Customers crave personality and authenticity, not just another AI-generated graphic. In 2025, creativity, curation, and branding matter more than ever. AI is just one tool. How you use it sets you apart. So how do you win at POD now? The answer: hyper-specific niches and real branding. Don't target dog lovers, target rescued greyhound knitters. Build a cohesive brand with a consistent look, voice, and social presence. Promotion is essential. Use TikTok, Instagram, or niche communities to drive your own traffic. Consistency is key. Keep researching, designing, and engaging with your audience. Most people quit too soon. The winners stick with it, building a catalog and loyal following over time. Pod is no longer a quick win. It's a long game. Treat it like a real business, not a weekend hobby. If you do, you can still carve out your space. So, is pod still worth it in 2025? Yes, but only if you're realistic. The passive income dream is mostly gone. Real success takes work, patience, and strategy. The money is in serving passionate, underserved niches, not the masses. Focus on brand building, community, and long-term growth. Expect slow progress at first. Treat it like a business, not a get-rich-quick scheme. If you're creative, persistent, and love your niche, POD can still be a rewarding side hustle. The gold rush is over, but there's still gold for those willing to dig smart and dig deep.